Hello students, myself Anand Singh. I teach mathematics to GMAT, GRE and SAT students. Today my plan is to teach a very important question from data insights in GMAT. Let us begin. So this is the question. On a 12-hour analog clock, the hour end moves at a constant rate of 1 revolution every 12 hours and the minute hand moves at a constant rate of 1 revolution every hour, right? The hands are perpendicular at 3 o'clock in the morning to the nearest second. The next time they are superimposed, that is pointing at the same point on the outer rim of the clock face, is m minutes and h seconds after 3 in the morning. Select m and s values that are consistent with the information provided. Make only 2 selections, one in each column. So let us first of all understand the question. He says that the hour end moves at a constant rate of 1 revolution every 12 hours. It means that in 12 hours, the hour end covers 360 degrees, right? One complete revolution. That is, in 1 hour, it covers 30 degrees. So in 60 minutes, it covers 30 degrees. So in 1 minute, it covers half degree, right? And in 1 second, it covers 1 divided by 120 degrees. For a minute hand, in 1 hour, it covers 360 degrees. That is, in 60 minutes, it covers 360 degrees. So in 1 minute, it covers 6 degrees, right? Here, in 1 minute, it is covering half degree, and here it is covering 6 degrees. That is, in 60 minutes, it covers 6 degrees. 60 seconds, it covers 6 degrees. So in 1 second, it covers 1 by 10 degrees. So this information is all given in the question. Let us begin further. Now he is saying that the hour ends are perpendicular at 3 in the morning. At 3 in the morning, what happens? This is 12, this is 3. 3 in the morning, the hour end points at 3. And the minute hand, let us mark it with the blue color, it is at 12, right? Means there is a difference of 90 degrees already there. Now we have to see to the nearest second the next time they are superimposed. So we have to search from these options. M is given as 15, 16, 17, 20, 22 and 34. M as 15, 16, 17, 20, 22 and 34. We have to select one from each so that the two hands superimpose, that is coincide each other, right? So let us take starting from m equal to 15. For m equal to 15, that is, in after 15 minutes, what happens? The hour end moves 15 into half, that is 7.5 degrees. And the minute hand moves 15 into 6, that is 90 degrees, right? But the difference should be the minute hand is already 90 degrees. At a difference of 90 degrees, means the minute hand should move 90 plus theta. If the hour end moves theta, if the hour end moves angle theta, minute hand should move 90 plus theta, right? Means it should be 90 degrees ahead. So here hour end is moving 7.5 degrees and minute hand is moving 90 degrees. It means the hour hand is 90 plus 7.5 and this is 90 degrees, so they are not equal. Since hour hand is already 90 degrees ahead of minute hand, so it is at 97.5 and it is at 90, right? We can see here hour hand moves like here and the minute hand after say 15 minutes it comes here, right? So there is a small gap over here, means m is equal to 15 is not serving the purpose. Let us take the another value when m is equal to 16. When m equal to 16, hour hand 16 into half, that is 8 degrees. And here it is 16 into 6, 96 degrees. Now if I again check 90 plus 8, 98, and this is 96, so this is again not equal, right? Even they are not approachingly equal. Let us take m equal to 17. 17 into half is 8.5 and 17 into 6 is 102. So we observe here that this becomes 90 plus 8.5 and this is 102, so this becomes less. It means it should be, say, it should be 16 minutes and some seconds, because it is not 70. At 17 it is exceeding, so m will not be more than or equal to 17. It should be 16 and then few more seconds, which will make both the hands coincide, right? Now we will go with seconds. Say for m equal to 15 seconds. Now in seconds it moves 1 over 120 degrees. So when I take m equal to 15, s equal to 15 seconds, then hour end is 15 into 1 upon 120, that is 1 by 80 degrees, and the minute hand covers 15 into 1 by 10, that is 1.5 degrees, right? We have already selected for m equal to 16. Hour hand is at 98 degrees and minute hand is at 96 degrees, right? We have to add these degrees to already which they have covered at m equal to 15 minutes, right? So this is 96 plus 1.5. If I observe, this is 98 1 by 8 degrees, this is 97.5 degrees, so it is more, it is not equal. So at s equal to 15 seconds, it is not serving. Let us go to s equal to 16. This is 16 into 1 by 120. That gives you 4 times 3 and 4 times 4 times 4 and 4 times 30. Or you can say 2 by 15. And for minute hand, it is to 1 by 10, that is 1.6 degrees. Now add to 98, this becomes 98 2 by 5. This is 96 plus 1.6, 97.6. So again this is bigger. So s equal to 16 is also not serving the purpose. Let us go to s equal to 20. When s equal to 20, this becomes 20 into 1 by 120, that is 1 by 6 degrees. This is 20 into 1 by 10, that is 2 degrees. It means This is 98 plus 1 by 6, 98 and 1 by 6. And this is 96 plus 2. This is 98 degrees. So still it is more. It means for 17 and 20 also it is not there. Now we have narrowed down to 22 and 34. Now let us suppose when s equal to 22, then the hour end covers 22 into 1 by 120, that is 11 by 60. 11 by 60 if I convert into decimals, let me check. I think it should be around 11 divided by 60. It is 0.183. So 0.183, that is approachingly equal to 2, 0.2. And here it is 22 into 1 by 10, that is 2.2. Now I add 98 to it, it becomes 98.2. And this side is 96 plus 2.2, which is 98.2. So here they both are equal. It means at s equal to 22 and m equal to 16, the hour end and the minute end, they will coincide. If you want to recheck, I have taken m equal to 16, m equal to 16 and s equal to 22. The hour end will be at 90 degrees plus 16 into 1 by 2 and plus 22 into 1 by 120, whereas the minute hand will be 16 into 6 degrees and plus 22 into 1 by 10. So this gives me 96 plus 2.2, that is 98.2 degrees. And this is giving me 90 degrees plus 8 degrees plus 0.18, that is 98.18, which is approachingly equal to 98.2 degrees. So both the hour end and minute end will coincide. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you very much for watching.